Hello friends, welcome to Swelin training session. In this lecture we will discuss about step turning operation. So let's start. Our third one operation is step turning operation. See, I have a stock, the 30 diameter and 30 length. You will see, and after cutout or after a step turning operation, my stock is look like this one. Now the step is here. The first step is 10 diameter 10 length. Second step is 20 diameter 20 length, and the last one is 30 diameter 30 length. Now you will see, here I will explain the cut of step turning operation. You will see the blue cuts is here. So the blue cuts is depth of cut by 1 value, and the red value means the red line is here. So the red line is explain the tool transverse motion. Okay. Now I will explain the program of step turning operation. So step turning operation, see, this is our object and the cutout is here. Now the program, first code is Z00, X00, Z00. So this point is here. Okay, Z00, X00, Z00. Now the next point is Z00, X15, Z00. X15 means the X is positive. So now my tool is move upward side and the X15, Z00 point is here. Another is means next step is Z01 means the linear interpolation means the cut motion. So Z01, X15 and Z minus 20. You will see this value is 20 and this value is 10. So the Z is minus 20. Now Z00, X15, Z00 means now my tool is again the back position or our home position. Next Z00, X14, Z00 means now my tool is move downward side by the 1 value. Next is Z01, X14 and Z minus 20. So you will see, now the tool is movement here and the cut value is minus 20. Next position is Z00, X15, Z00 means the home position. You will see the red lines is present, the tool rapid travels. Okay. Next code is Z00, X13, Z00 means again the tool is move 1 depth also. Next is Z01, X13, Z minus 20 means again the cut value is here. Now you will see here the X13, Z minus 0 means the tool is here. So by this value we will cut the depth 20. So you will see the 1 cut is here 13, 12, 11, 10. See, Z is minus 20. Next program. Now you will see here the X09 means the 1 cut, but the Z value is minus 10 here. Again 1 minus means the X08, Z10, 7, Z10, 6, Z10, 5 Z10, and now again the tool is move the home position, and M30 means program end. So you will see the step is here, the all cutout is here. So I will explain this program in Ecamm software. You will see our stock is 30 by 30. Now I will open Ecamm software. So you will see. Now in turning lathe wheel live tool. OK. Our stock diameter is 30, length diameter is 30, and OK. See, the stock is ready. I will change the view. Now in turning, our operation is step turning, but here in external turning we will give the value. Select your option step profile. You will see here the diameter value and depth value. Our first diameter is 10 and first depth is also 10. And I will give enter. You will see here the line is present. Again, next diameter is 20 and the length is also 20. See, the orange line means the rough value. If I give the enter, so see, the green means perfect value. Next is 30 diameter and 30 length. See, I will click on OK and you will see the cut is ready. OK, but you will see the cut is very large. So click on this option tool parameter, give the depth of value 1 and OK. You will see in 3D view our object is look like this one. If I will play this operation, so click on simulation, you will see the operation is continue. My tool is give -20 cut and now tool is give -10 cut. You will see. And again the finish cut and home position. Now I will give in 2D view and OK and play this operation again. You will see this is a -20 cut. By here the -10 cut. See, the last one tool is finish operation and again home position. So you will easily understand the step turning program. I will click on OK and just 3D view. See, this is our object. So in next lecture we will discuss about the chamfer operation. Thank you friends.